You can see here Muhammad Buhari Mother and Care Center, commissioned on 19th May 2023. It has been equipped. Will kick off by July next month. Let's see the inside. Yeah, good morning. Oh, my friend. Yeah, how are you doing? Okay. Yeah. No, well done. Oh. Yeah, well done.
Okay.
Yeah. So this one is our reception desk. Okay. You can see we are good to start. Is there any other? Okay, okay. The whole world. You can see the words here for maternal and child care. One. Maternal and child care one. Yeah. Wow. Thank God you people are taking care of this thing before.
No, I can talk am every time.
I beg you. Yeah. Come this side. The theater. Delivery section. Is anything?
Yes. Everywhere, I mean, all the rooms are doing.
Okay. So we'll go. Here is delivering room. Delivering section. You need to capture well here because a lot of equipment. Okay. Even if we stop here. Mm. The what? Ward. About how many of them here? Eight bed.
But it's subject to other maybe rearrangements. So
Okay.
they can rearrange it.
It's okay.
So they can decide to make it 3-3.
Okay. Yeah. It's mother and child here. Building. We can now go upstairs.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go there, right?
No, let's go there. Yeah, I sleep here. Bed. Hey. Very good. Mm. Okay. Here is private ward, maternal and child care. You can see everything is entered. The convenience is here and specifically for one person. It's pure private ward. For sure, no? Yeah. Ward. Here is two-man private ward, mini private ward, mini private ward. VIP. Okay, this one is pure VIP. Yeah, not private ward. Yeah. So that is some of them. So everything is here. This one is private ward too. It's private ward. So offices, conference rooms, call rooms, everything is here. So okay. We have wards here. You know, here is pure two-story building. Uh-huh. It's two-story building, maternal and child care center. So you can see more wards here. So well equipped. Office. Another private ward. Mini private ward.
They are private, mini